webinar, we are going to discuss about one of the smart material developed using electrospinning technique based on polyurethane containing almond oil for bone tissue engineering. The abstract of the study was in this study I have used electrospinning technique for the fabricating the nanocomposites. It was shown that the developed nanocomposites showed better physicochemical and biological properties suitable for the bone tissue engineering. What is bone tissue engineering? Typically, traditional medicine using allograft and autograft, they possess some limitations like lack of donor and immune rejection. So it finds limited application in the clinical applications. Recently, tissue engineering was the better approach for remodeling damaged tissue. In this research, I used bone tissue engineering for this research. What is bone tissue engineering? Bone tissue engineering uses scaffold for the remodeling the damaged tissue. Next, electrospinning. What is electrospinning means? Initially, the polymer was converted into solution. After applying voltage to the polymer solution, it was converted into nanofibers and finally deposited on the collector. It is called as electrospinning. Okay. Further, why I use electrospinning means it can ability to produce nanofibers. Nanofibers have ability to attract cell proliferation and cell attachment favorable for the new tissue. Okay. Next, materials used in this I have used material polyurethane. Why I use polyurethane means it was widely used material in the form of foams, membranes and films. Next material I used almond oil. Why I use almond oil means almond oil is reported to possess various bioactive constituents such as fatty acids, carbohydrates, proteins. Further, it possesses vitamins and minerals. Further, the literature has shown the almond oil possesses better anti-aging property. Okay. Next, preparation solutions. The first PE was prepared for 9-weight fraction. In case of almond oil, I have used 9-weight fraction. When combining PU and almond oil, the ratio used was 8:1. Okay. Finally, the solution was transferred to the electrospinning technique, and finally the scaffold was formed. Okay. After fabricating the scaffolds, it was sent to various physicochemical characterizations such as scanning electron microscopy, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, chronotactile measurement, thermogravity analysis, atomic force microscopy. First is SEM investigation. SEM investigation used to study the internal morphology of the scaffolds. It was clearly shown PU showed diameter of 890, PU almond showed diameter of 6 to 9. It was shown fiber diameter of developed nanocomposite was smaller compared to the PU. Literature has shown that the smaller fiber will be favorable for the osteoblast cell adhesion proliferation. This is the corresponding diagram compared to the PU. The PU almond is shown smaller fiber diameter. Okay. Next, FT analysis. FT analysis used to study the chemical composition. We have added the almond oil. FT analysis was used to confirm whether the almond oil present in PU or not. From the figure, it was shown for the PU almond oil, it was found the intensity was increased. You can see the intensity was increased, which clearly indicates PU contains almond oil. Okay. Next, chronotactile measurement. Chronotactile measurement is important characteristic for studying the properties of material. Chronotactile measurement is used to study whether the material absorbs water or not. Okay. For PU, the chronotactile measurement was found to be 100. For PU almond oil, the almond oil was 107 degree. It clearly indicates that PU almond oil showed hydrophobic nature compared to the PU. It was clearly shown in the literature the hydrophobic nature of the PU ASL will be favorable for the osteoblast cell adhesion proliferation. Okay, thermal stability. Thermal stability used to study the thermal properties. PU showed a thermal stability of 276 degrees Celsius, and the PU almond showed a 284. Compared to the PU, the developed nanocomposites showed higher thermal stability. Okay, it was mainly due to the presence of almond oil in the PU matrix. Okay. Next is surface reference. Surface reference was used to study the surface of the properties. For example, PU showed the surface reference of 313, PU almond oil showed 321. Okay, compared to the PU, the surface reference was increasing. Okay. it was clearly shown that the increased surface roughness will be suitable for the osteoblast cell aggregation proliferation. In the figure, it was shown PU showed the smooth surface. For PU almond oil, it shows the roughness of increased. Increase means it shows a rougher surface. Okay. Can we summarize? What is electrospinning technique? What do you understand from this case technique?
So it's basically have a tracing method to bone tissue circuit, sir. We have to that main component is PU, sir. We have to include the PU plus almond oil, sir. So increase the thermal stability and roughness. It has more efficiency than tracing method.
Why did I have used almond oil?
Because it adds basically it has a bioactive constituents.
What are the bioactive constituents? Fatty acids, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals.